guys, today I am going to show you how I made this graduation cake. I'm sure a lot of you guys know people who are graduating, kids who are graduating. I have one of my favorite nieces, she's graduating, and I wanted to do something special for her, so I thought maybe you guys want to give it a try too. So let's do it. Okay, first we start by prepping our board. I have found some really pretty scrapbook paper and I have some ribbon and I'm gonna cut it, glue it, get it ready. Okay, now to the top of the graduation cap. I am going to make it 10 inches by 10 inches. My cake is going to be 6 inches and my board is 12 inches. Let's get to it. Okay, now I have black fondant to cover my top. I have gotten my Swiss meringue buttercream ready. I've added a good amount of melted milk chocolate, so it is a delicious milky chocolatey buttercream. And now I have baked 6-inch round cakes and I have them ready to start stacking them. So I am going to fill this cake with Nutella. A very special girl who's graduating, and since she's not getting her whole graduation, I would like to make this extra special for her. So, Nutella. I have black fondant and I'm gonna roll it and cover my cake. Now I'm gonna flip the cake over onto my board and, well, actually I'm going to put some glue on my board and then I'm gonna right, hold on. I'm gonna do something. Okay, I'm going to flip my cake over, put some glue on the board and glue it to it, and then put the cap on. I have some yellow gum paste, and I am going to pipe out little strings, tiny little strings and thicker strings to make the tassel. This is the graduation cake. I am very happy with the way it came out. I added some flowers. If you don't have flowers, you can add a ribbon and a bow, or even real flowers. And I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, please send me some pictures. I would love to see it. And if you don't and just like watching my videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.